Bible says, if the cloud be full of rain, the cloud is full of rain, it shall empty, it shall empty, it shall empty upon the earth. The cloud full of rain shall empty, it shall empty. Your cloud is full of answers. He must empty. He must empty. Your cloud is full of miracles. He must empty. Your cloud is full of grace. He must empty. Your cloud is full of healing. He must empty. He must empty. He must empty upon the earth. He must empty upon the earth. Somebody said today, I announce my cloud is full of evidence. Say right now, empty yourself, empty yourself. Say my cloud is full of answers. Say right now, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Now, rain, 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 rain. Now, 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 now. Open your mouth, let it rain, let it rain. Ashakato, Amianata, Ashabada, Atata, Abala, Ekotobada. He must rain, Ataba, Amiana, Ashabada, Ekoto, Amiana, Asa. There are words over your life. Let it rain, let it rain. Oh, Masada, Abatada. Isaka, Abala, there are promises over your children. Let it rain, let it rain. Akoto, Ibala, that's what the Bible says. If the cloud, if it is full of rain, it will empty, it will empty. Abalaka, Ashabada, Akoda, let it empty. Oh my God, Rakoto, Abala, it is full of glory. Let it empty. Oh Matata, Rakatabia, Avala, your cloud is full of ideas. Let it empty. Oh my God, Ashabara, your cloud is full of high favor. Let it empty. Let it empty. Ameanasaka, Abalata, Rakota, Abata, Rakata, your cloud is full of access. Let it empty. Let it empty. Abashaka, Abata, Akota. Are you praying? Are you praying? Ataba, Raka. The time is now. The time is now. Oh my God. Abata, Abala, Rakata. Your prayers created a cloud. Your prayers created a cloud. Let it rain. Oh my God. Asata, Amenata. Oh my God. Akata, Abaya. Your prayers created a cloud. Let it rain. Let it rain. Amenata, Amenata. Asata, Abala, Rakota, Amenata, Ababa, Rakota, Asada, 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 Akota, Abala, Akota, Amanata, Abala, Akota, Abalada. Let your image turn around. Let your image turn. Let your image turn. Let your image turn. I say your cloud is full of a rain of evidence. Let it empty. This is the time. This is the time. This is the time. Your cloud is full of your healing. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. The devil is a liar. The heaven over your head is open. He must rain today. He must rain today. He must rain. He must rain. The wait is over. The wait is over. I said, let it rain. Let it rain. You cannot be stranded. You will not be stuck. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Rain in your family. Rain in your career. Rain in your walk with God. I said the cloud is full. It's full. Every prayer you made, gathered your cloud. Every seed you sowed, gathered your cloud. I said, your cloud is heavy. Your cloud is heavy. Let and the present rain. Receive them all at the same time. It must rain today. Whether you have faith or you do not have faith, it will rain today. It will rain today. It will rain today. It will rain today. We reverse every negative journey. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. Take it right now. 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 Somebody shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. I announce the time is now. Let addictions be broken. Let addictions be broken. The time is now. Let the wicked crumble. The time is now. The devil will not have the last word over your life. The time is now. Let every wilderness experience, let them be terminated. Let them be terminated. I say the time is now. The time is now. Let the oppression, let it be broken. Let it be broken. The time is now. Your family will not cry again over the same matter again. The time is now. Let the chains be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. The time is now. No more setback. No more setback. No more setback. No more setback. The time is now. No evil covering. No satanic arrow. The time is now. Let your amen turn. Let your amen turn. Let your amen turn. Somebody shout fire. 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 As your two hands are lifted, as many that fear that the Lord has forgotten them, in 48 hours, in 48 hours, receive an evidence of his power. Receive an evidence of his power. Receive it right now. 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 Let your amen turn. Let your amen turn. Let your amen turn. Whatever I say, I need you to thunder. The time is now. You need to declare this. Martha said to Jesus, I know my brother will rise. I know my brother will rise. On the last day, that was what Martha said. My brother will rise. But on the last day, he covered. Jesus replied, Martha, I am the resurrection. Why are you postponing it? Why are you postponing it? Martha, the time is now. I am the resurrection. The time. Oh my God. Oh my God. The doctor said it would take 2 months. The Lord said the time is now. They said it will take another 7 years. The time is now. The time is now. The time is now. Whatever I say, I need you to turn down. The time is now. No more spiritual laziness. I'll say it again. No more spiritual laziness. No more setback in destiny. No more shame. No more rising and falling. No more remaining on the same level. No more expectation without evidence. No more family operations. No more cycles and patterns. No more satanic arrows. No more diseases and infirmities. Somebody thunder it again.